All right, our last set of examples are on the written exercises on page 195. We're going to do 15 and 17. I was originally going to do one more, but I think after these two, you'll get the hang of it. These were actually solving for the log, which means we're still solving for x, the exponent. So we want to make sure that we put x in for our exponent like we did on the other ones, just to make sure that we have our process in order. Then we're going to take our base, raise it to our exponent, equal our answer. So this is 4 to the x equals 64. And for square root of 16, 4 to the third is 64. For 15b, we have 4 to the x equals 1 over 64. Now, we know that we have to take 64 and turn it into a common base of 4. So that's 4 to the third. But because it's in the denominator, that means that our exponent is going to be negative. This one is a fourth root. So this is 4 to the x equals, and this is 4 to the first power with a root of 4. So this is 4 to the 1/4. That's how you change that radical into a fraction. The power goes on top, root goes on the bottom. And the bases are the same, so our x is equal to 1/4. This last one, we have 4 to the x equals 1. And remember, anything to the 0 power equals 1. So x has to be 0. All right, so there's 15. We're going to do our last one, which is all in natural logs. Now keep in mind that when you have a natural log, the base for a natural log is always e. So this one needs a couple of things filled in. The first thing that we need to do is realize that we're solving for x, the exponent, and that our e is our base, and that's a subscript. So this is x, the exponent, and this is e, the base. This is x, the exponent. This is e, the base. And now we can write them into exponential form. So our base is e when we have a natural log. So this is e to the x equals, and our answer is e. Well, what power is e when there's no power there? Really a 1, right? So that makes x equal to 1. This is e to the x equals, and our answer is e squared. That makes x equal to 2. This is e to the x equals 1 over e. Now this is really e to the first, but it's in the denominator, which makes this have to be a negative 1. And our last one, this is e to the x equals the square root of e. And we know that that square root of e is really power 1 square root 2. So this is e to the 1/2. So x has to equal 1/2. There's the rest of them. Now it's time for you to go through your homework. Half of them are going to be you just putting them from exponential to log form and vice versa, and the other ones are you solving like we did in all of these examples. Please do a good job and contact us if you have questions.